Hello everyone, this is Larry Carson with MarineMax Charleston. Myself along with Carl Anderson would like to walk you through the new Boston Whaler 350 Realm. This particular boat is in the Abaco blue color painted hull with the triple 350 Mercury engines in the white color. Now as I move around here, we'll go to Carl and let him show you some of the great features of this boat. As I move in, one thing is very easy to access from the dock with the dive door, but it's also a great side access, especially on a marina at this height. Go ahead, Carl, and let's show them some of the great features.
Yeah, so continuing with the dive door on the port side, we do have a couple of things. We have a ladder that inserts right here, so it's great for boarding and getting in and out of the boat, in addition to a handle, a stainless steel handle that opens inward. Really big, large, expansive stern seat, high backrest, great leg support, great for lounging as well. When you want the cockpit space, stows away very easily. Also have a dedicated storage area for that boarding ladder for the dive door. Large entertaining area. In addition to fishing, you've got fish boxes both on the port and the starboard side. Beneath this hatch here, huge access to your bilge area and your other systems on the boat. We've got a portside live well, rod holders, fender holders, raw water on the port side, shore power on the starboard side, big cleats, tow rails, JL audio speakers, really business friendly portion of the boat. Also have our Kenyan grill, an electric Kenyan grill as part of our wet bar area. That opens and closes with the squaring countertop. We've got storage beneath here. We've got really nice teak steps to get to the starboard side gunnel when you're boarding and reboarding the boat. Coming back this way, a really versatile seat here. So when we're hanging out, entertaining in the cockpit, in addition to our stern seat, we've got a great adjustable seat here, facing aft, facing the water, doing that sort of thing. But also, we've got a huge cooler that's beneath. I can access it this way with the larger door, or I can lock this back in and I can access it with the smaller access panel right there. In addition, nice teak boarding step, stows away really nicely. Moving further forward, again taking advantage of this seat here, backrest adjusts. I can jump in right here, and then this helm seat reverses to face aft. Now I can fit a nice dining table here for alfresco dining as part of a bracket mount. I've got air conditioning in this portion right here. Again, additional teak steps, making it easier to get in and out of the seats, but it also just gives you some leg support as well. And of course, adjustable thigh-rise bolsters for both the captain and the observer as they feel comfortable when the boat is running. Spinning this seat back around.
Now guys, if I can mention, one of the special features we ordered on this boat is we ordered the starboard side refrigerator, because this particular boat has been ordered with our Seakeeper, the gyro stabilization system. So that eliminated us being able to put it here underneath the summer kitchen. So it's an easy option to add to this boat and give you additional cooling ability.
Larry, if you want to talk about the powered sunshade we have over the aft end as well before we turn it forward.
We did not open it, but this one it integrates right in behind the hardtop, and it has a sunshade that will come back and cover the entire rear cockpit of the boat. What do we have up top in the hardtop as well, Carl?
So here we've got a zippered area to store soft goods, towels, throwable devices, life jackets, things of that nature. Keeps them nice and out of the way, and also keeps them dry. Within the hardtop, we've got great LED lighting, and then lockable glove box here above the helm. We've got our active trim from Mercury, our Mercury vessel view, of course our Seakeeper display as well. And then at the helm, we've got twin touchscreens from Ray Marine, rocker switches that illuminate at night for safety, adjustable steering wheel. It's leather wrapped, has a nice knob, so it's really easy and comfortable to use. And of course, you get the electro powered powered steering from Mercury as well. This is a joystick boat with the 350 Verados. Of course, we have digital throttle and shift from Mercury. And then some of the comfort features with the captain, we have a nice step. So for your shorter individuals, it gives them good visibility when they're in the standing position. And of course, it easily stows right away, as does this step for your observer. Whether you're sitting, whether you're leaning, if you have the bolster in the upright position or in the lower position, and then the foot pedestal here just stows right away really nicely.
All right.
There we've also got the ventilation there forward that's also powered, so really good natural air on the boat when running. Makes it really comfortable. We've also got a recessed area here for your electronics. We've got USB and 12-volt connectivity for your electronic devices as well. And then lots of speakers forward. We've got 2 to port, 2 to starboard, and a large subwoofer to starboard as well. Great entertaining space.
All right, what do we got going on up front, Carl?
So up front, lots of creature comforts. Huge lounge area forward. Armrests, built-in cup holders. Incredibly comfortable space. More cup holders forward. Looks like there's 8 forward in addition to the 2 that are built into the seat. We have 2 JL audio speakers forward. This forward bow table, really nice teak table here. This is a powered table, so it can raise and lower. When it's in the lower position, you can throw a bow cushion on top, and now you've converted the space into a huge sun pad. When you're doing any dining or it's cocktail time for cocktail hour, now you've got a great space up here to entertain and hang out with your guests and have a nice drink in the bow. Of course, we've got large recessed cleats and rod holders forward, in addition to a remote controlled windlass anchor that's also controlled at the helm.
Guys, this one's also equipped with the open array radar system, as well as the remote controlled spotlight. As you can see, the vent window that Carl mentioned, and you have a lot of the air that comes through hits the front of the console. It really does give you good ventilation on a warm day. And now we're going to transition into the cabin area on this boat. As we move down, got the flat screen TV. We've got a lot of our lights. Right now we've got some of our canvas stowed away, but you've got LED lighting down in here, as well as a lot of natural skylight. Go ahead, Carl, tell us some more of the cool features.
Great lighting in this space. It doesn't feel like a cave at all. We've got a nice convertible berth. The cushions have a mechanism where they slide via a lever and come together. So it's really easy to put together and then stow away when the bed area is not in use. We do have a head on this boat. We've got a really nice teak fold down magnetizer that's in the upright position, bench seat for when you're showering, and then we do have a adjustable wand here for your shower. Nice tile flooring as well, hardwood flooring down in the cabin, and then easy to get in and out of the cabin as well. Good entertainment systems down here. Really great versatile boat, great for weekending, great for doing some traveling with the family. If you have any further questions about this boat or any of our others at our MarineMax Charleston location, please feel free to reach out to us at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at marinemax.com, and always visit our Facebook page for the latest happenings, events, and new boat arrivals with your local MarineMax store. For Larry Carson, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.